earn $600 with these free apps. How to earn up to $600 online by doing nothing. Yes, it's possible. How? With the help of all of these secret apps that you will see in this video. You can now make huge sums of money by doing absolutely nothing. In this video, we are going to tell you exactly how you can earn online with no work or effort. Keep watching and stay with us to find out how you can make $600 with no effort. We will also share some bonus tips and tricks with you, so try not to miss out. Not one or two. You are going to find out about 5 apps that will help you earn. And you do not need to do anything at all in some of them. The payment options are pretty diverse, and you can cash out your money using different methods. It does not matter which country you belong to, you can do this from anywhere in the world. All you need is an internet connection and a mobile phone. Just follow the steps we share with you. Download these apps and you get there. Sign up for a free account and begin your online earning process. You can literally earn money sitting on your sofa or lying in your bed, and the money will be deposited in your account for nothing. All because of the apps we are going to share with you. The first app we are going to talk about is the TV2.com. The idea of this app is really basic. What you need to do is click, play, and then watch the videos. You will be paid just for it. It can be done on your phone and even on your TV. The bonus tip to maximize your earning potential using this app is to play the videos in the background on different devices. You will now be able to make money while you study, party, or sleep. Download the application TV2.com on your mobile phone. For Android, this app will be available on the Google Play Store. With over 380,000 users and almost a 5-star rating, you get an idea of how amazing this app is. After downloading, go over to the app and link it to your TV. Now you may play videos and make money. Multiple videos are available. You can choose the videos of your interest from the collection of unlimited videos. Moving forward, the second app is called appkarma.io. On this app, you will be able to earn rewards by playing with apps. This app is also totally free. But how does this app make you money with no work? As soon as you download the app, you get 300 points. These 300 points are synonyms for getting $3. Download this app on your mobile phone. The bonus trick, as promised, is to log into the app every day. Open the app and claim your rewards. Another interesting fact is that you can invite your friends to App Karma and earn 30% of what your friends earn. For example, if your friends earn $200, you will get an amount of $60. This is the money you get absolutely free for not doing much at all. Go to Google Play Store, search the name, and a list of apps appears. The logo of the app looks like this. This simple app helps you make money by doing various tasks, such as playing games. Earning by scratching cards is also an option. Once again, the app is called App Karma. The next step we are going to show you is the cashforminutes.com. This app pays you for listening to internet radio broadcasts. Cash for Minutes offers weekly payouts with multiple options. Get your cash outs using whatever options that suits you. PayPal, bank transfer, Bitcoin, Amazon, etc. This app can be used by anyone belonging to any region of the world. Just ensure a smart device and internet connection. Open the app and sign up for a free account. After your account is created, you can listen to radio broadcasts and earn from it. The bonus with this app is that you can refer it to your friends and earn 5% of what they earn. Want to know about the other apps that help you earn absolutely free? Stay tuned to have a look at them. Drop in all your queries in the comments and hit that like and subscribe button if you are enjoying this video. SlideJoy is the fourth app we are going to talk about. This app operates by showing advertisements. People like you and me can watch these ads to earn money online. After downloading the app, it will give you a cash-like rewards only for using its lock screen. You do not have to do anything, just open the app, swipe, unlock, and redeem your rewards. Go to Google and search SlideJoy. The logo looks like this. Make sure you download the right app and you can start earning. Finally, let's talk about the fifth and last app. This app is called moneysmsapp.com. You will not have to do anything to earn through this app. This app only works on Android mobile phones. You receive messages generated by the app and its customers and get paid for it. You will begin to receive text messages as soon as you download it. You can simply ignore and delete them. Multiple payment options are available to cash out the money you earn. The most amazing part is that the money can be withdrawn in 48 hours. You can also refer the app to your friends and earn 30% of what they are earning. Isn't that amazing? Let us know in the comments down below what you think about these apps. And that's a wrap for today. Let us know in the comments which app you are going to try. We hope you enjoy the fun methods to earn through these 5 amazing apps. Like, subscribe, and share the video with your friends. See you soon!